What's better than an edelbrock? A holley carburetor, of course. What I got here is an edelbrock, edelbroken, whatever you want to call it. It runs like shit on this. Go figure. This has been set for a while, I guess. And of course you got the dual springs here. I guess we can worry about that later. And this is nice. This is for AC. Okay. This is also nice. Put the springs off. Okay. Gonna need a wrench for that. Let's go ahead and take this off. 13mm. It's on an adapter. Hopefully we can save the gasket. And that feels cross-threaded, of course. And I'm short. Put that there. I'm a little too tall now. That's a leak right there. I hear it leaking. Oh, that's got a load of boat in it. Why is this truck running like shit? It's assembled like shit. That's why it's running like shit. Assembly like shit. Run like shit. You just, it goes hand in hand. I mean, there's a proper way to do stuff, and there's a sketchy way to do stuff that works, and then there's just a shitty way to do stuff that don't work. I was too tall on the other side with the bucket, but I gotta junk around. Just like that. Now this one is another one of those, not the white size. Well, I will say this. It has a vacuum leak from hell on that side, and I just found it. Now this comes off, this is a one way. If I had something to cut it with, a knife, I'd just cut that hose. I'm gonna unplug all these vacuums, figure out what they go. That's good. Why not? PVC, positive crankcase ventilation, PCV. Yeah, that works, don't it? At least they could have maybe welded that or sorted it. Probably worked a little bit better. So I need a wrench. I tap this loose, and this should come off. See if we can tap it. Seems loose now. Yeah. See, I don't want to tear the gasket. Oh, that's 2 washers. Hell yeah. Oh, the gasket's usable. I'm gonna cut that and undo that. So check this out. Oh, how does that look to you? It's got a quadrajet gasket underneath of it, because why the fuck not? And it's upside down, I guess. I don't know what the fuck I got going on here, but I can tell you right now, I shouldn't be working on something like this. I should not. I think that's been the issue right here. I might as well just stick an intake on this. The holley semi installed. Hopefully we don't have vacuum leaks. This is good enough for now. This definitely needs gone. But here we can see if it's gonna work in the yard. This right here you can see is questionable too. I'll go ahead and Well, I'll fix that right now. So take this. And where's that bolt that they had? Is that the proper way? No. Will work. For now. Any day with a bolt. Huh. What an odd bolt. Good enough. Good enough. Okay. See if it'll start. Might take it a minute. We are trying to get gas back in a filter. Yeah, it's back. So this holley should be fine. Look like it's leaking a little right there. I can tell. Messing with the RPM idle. It ain't got a RPM gauge, but it sounds pretty good though. Listen. You hear that? It's idling for the first time. How many years has this truck run that shit? I don't know. But to me it run that shit. Maybe somebody else that run like mwah. Now it runs better. That holley came off of the 355 that come down of the C10 cam Vortex motor built. It's been set for about a month. It's dialed in. The other one was set kind of high to begin with on this car, just because that motor's cam pretty big as it came off of. So bigger the cam, higher the item, more stall you need. I closed this latch because this ain't working right. We bored up or something. That way I can get the hood back open. We let the safety catch do its job. Seems to be running fine. It's been running about 15-20 minutes. If the gauges are correct, we got good oil pressure. It's not overheating. Speed hand didn't work when I was driving it though. I don't think that's original miles. Just saying. You probably thought the video was over after that. No. we're going to hook to this, move this out of the way, and I will probably be using this stuff on the other one. I just need to pick up on this just enough to scoot it back. After it warmed up, I tried to restart it, and it kind of went meh, meh, meh. So the timing was too far advanced. I backed it off so it starts good and then warm. Then we're going to adjust the idling, and everything should be set pretty good. If I can get on this. That is. Wonder how low it is. That's probably the reason my idle was kind of a little bit more high than we thought. Oh, it sounds so much happier. What do you think? A little high. Just a tad bit high. Sounds good to me. How does it start back? Give it a second. Oh yeah, I'll take that. Good enough. Is any of this properly fixed? It's fixed good enough. It's actually running decent. It actually moves under its own power now. Don't stall out. It needed the carburetor changed, a vacuum leaks fixed, and it was out of time. I take that. I might have the idling a little high. I don't know. It seems awful good right here. It's running extremely smooth. In the comment section, let me know what you think about the record. How should we build it? What mods should we do to it? This is one cool classic truck, and I done put it to use. I moved the fire truck with it. A whole lot better than using a rollback trying to drag it up and whatnot. Gonna be handy. Handy piece of equipment. Get subscribed if you're new. Check the eBay store in the description below. And thanks for watching. See you next time.